Hi, my name is Tim. I'm going to give you a small testimonial about OALEADS. I started my Amazon business a little over a year ago. I soon after came into contact with OALEADS. Started off by buying their leads list that come every weekday, and that really helped me to get into the rhythm of things, of buying every day, and it also helped me to learn what to look for, what stores were good, what kind of products you should source and what maybe not. And about 3 or 4 months after that, I purchased the course. The course, I think, was really well structured. It really covers everything you need to know in order to run an Amazon business in FBA, obviously. It teaches you how to properly source, how to build up your business, how to also take the emotion out of buying. It really is a no-nonsense course. There's no hyping. It's just the truth that gets put out there. And I think above all, what you buy into when you buy one of these products is the availability of Martin. He's really someone you can ask if you get stuck. Very helpful. Always takes his time to try and help. So I think that really is one of the advantages over maybe some of the other people who offer these kind of products. If you have any questions about this or about anything else, do let me know in the comments or write me a personal message, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, thanks.